Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to install IP tables in Linux systems. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Installing and setting up IP tables across different Linux distributions. Important: IP tables rules are not persistent by default. After a reboot, any rules you add will be lost unless you configure your system to save and restore them. Debian-based distributions install IP tables. Many Debian-based systems come with IP tables pre-installed. If needed, update your package list and install. Persisting rules with IP tables persistent. Recommended: the IP tables persistent package automatically saves your firewall rules in etc IP tables rules v4 for IPv4 and etc IP tables rules v6 for IPv6 and restores them at boot. During installation, you'll be prompted to save your current rules. If you prefer, you may also manually save rules later using Red Hat-based distributions. Install IP tables or IP table services. Modern Red Hat systems may default to firewalled. To use IP tables instead, first disable firewalled. Then install the IP tables services package. Enable, start, and verify the service. Arch-based distributions install IP tables. Enable and start the IP table service. If available, check for a provided service file, often named IP table service, and then run. OpenSUSE-based distributions install IP tables. Enable and start the service. If a dedicated IP table service is available, run. Basic iptables commands. Here are some standard commands to configure your firewall. Allow SSH, port 22. Allow HTTP, port 80. Allow HTTPS, port 443. Deny a specific port, for example, 8080. Delete a rule, for example, the rule allowing port 80. List active rules. Tip: use I instead of a if you wish to insert a rule at the beginning of the chain. Making IP tables rules persistent. Since IP tables rules reset on reboot, you need to save and restore them. On Debian-based systems, using IP tables persistent. Automatic restore. The IP tables persistent package, installed earlier, ensures that rules stored in etc IP tables rules v4 and etc IP tables rules v6 are restored automatically during boot. Manually save rules, if needed. On other distributions, if no dedicated service is available, you can set up a manual system service, create a directory and save files. Create a custom system service, edit, or create the file etc system IP tables restore service with the following content. Enable and start the service. Some modern Linux distributions come with firewalled or NF tables activated by default. If you plan to use IP tables exclusively, make sure to disable any conflicting firewall services. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.